My name is Peter Stevens. I'm the inventor of the Personal Agility System and the co-founder of the Personal Agility Institute. And the Personal Agility Institute, we envision a world where most people are able to live their lives with meaning. Okay, that what they do is driven by what really matters to them. Okay, and so what we hope to do is touch the lives of 1 million people to really change their lives, obviously and visibly, for the better, however they define better. For some people that's being happier, for some people that's more money, for some people that's the same thing. Other people have more existential definitions of better. We don't really care how you define better, but we hope that we can reach a lot of people, that their lives can become better. Well, there were a couple of things. First of all, we realized to reach 1 million people, we were going to need a lot of help. Okay, and we call the people who are helping us, we call them ambassadors. Some of them are going to work as trainers, some of them are going to work as coaches. But there's a real, how should I say, administrative effort, a scaling problem. Okay, and we were looking for a good solution. Particularly at the beginning, we were thinking we're going to focus on training. That seemed like the way to go. So we were looking for a good solution to manage our trainers, manage our courses, publicize our trainers, publicize the courses, get this all out on social media. And Workshop Butler came recommended from people I respect in the community, so that was a good thing. And it looked like it would take away a lot of the work that's associated with setting up and maintaining systems to publish classes and handle registrations and things like that. And so, I've done work, I've been working with WordPress-based sites for a long time, tried a couple of different approaches to managing registrations and also scaling communities. And I just realized that most of them, at least the ones I'd come in touch with, didn't work. And then so Workshop Butler looked like it would be a good tool, to dramatically reduce the effort in organizing and managing our certification program. Well, what was really good about Workshop Butler was getting it integrated into our website. There are a couple of plugins for WordPress, and they pretty much just work. We had an occasional problem or two here and there, but your support line was quick and responsive. And so we really had no issues getting our system up and live. We now have, I think, around 25 ambassadors on our homepage, and we've been holding courses now for around 6 months, I would say. We've roughly, compared to what we had before we started, we have about 5 times the number of recognized practitioners, that is people who've gone through our training, or potentially recognized practitioners. Not all of them have finished the application process, but around 150 people have now gone through the program, and the system is able to handle that. And I'm not aware of any bugs that have prevented us from handling a class or handling a certification. So that's been a really good experience. I think you've done a very good job at identifying the essential use cases and user stories that need to be handled. Like registering a class, getting the time zone right. Getting the language right. We really haven't had any issues with, oh my God, this essential feature for holding a class is missing. So from that point of view, it seems to be complete and well thought out and does what it needs to do.